So we have had to stop work in the kitchen because another sub needs to be able to get in there. You can't do it on wet floors. So we are moving our attention to the back of the house. We have 3 floors, 3 rooms that we need to Duroc. And then we can start tiling back there. So I didn't even know action was happening upstairs. And Ricky's got this fireplace more than halfway done. That oyster tile looks so good. That's going on 3 of the fireplaces. And this is the one in the 2nd bedroom. All right, so we have made some progress on this fireplace. It looks beautiful. We've got to trim out the sides so you don't see those jagged cuts. And they are working on that bottom couple of rows that are super unlevel. Looking good. And then we'll do one more course across the top with a metal Schluter trim piece. It's looking really good. Finished the Duroc in the mudroom. They're working on Duroc in the bathroom. And they're almost finished in the laundry room. In fact, the laundry room's pretty much done. They've still got to do the powder room. And then we can start putting down tile in here. I came upstairs to check on something else. Did not even know that this fireplace is done. I never saw a single tile going up. We did this one a little bit different. We did put the metal here and I love it. It's so clean. It looks so good. So good. We've got a little gap back there, but we got to figure out if we're going to fill that with concrete or what. We don't want to paint this fireplace. You know, we're painting all the other ones black, but that brick's just so pretty. We're not going to paint that. I think it looks great. There was so much happening in other parts of the house. I didn't even get to get a picture of the Duroc before they put the waterproofing on. But the floor is Duroc'd. The whole shower is Duroc'd, and we're marking out where our niche is going to go. It's going to look great. I love the tile that's going in here. It's a bevel tile. Going to get a lot of reflection, which is good because we don't have any windows in this bathroom. So late last night they finished, I had nothing to do with it, this back wall. It looks so good. They've turned the corner. They've done about 1/3 of this wall. They've got that niche in. It looks so good. I love this bevel tile in here. I think I told you I put it in here because there's very little lighting in here and we get lots of reflection off of that tile. In the kitchen, they are still working away. They've made it all the way over there. Don't want to walk on it, so we can't see what they're doing. Maybe we'll take a peek in through the window. The next thing we're going to do in here is tile that fireplace and this backsplash. Can't wait. It's a Monday morning, and I want to show you what we did over the weekend. The guys came over the weekend and tiled the mudroom. The floor looks great, as well as the laundry room and the powder room. Now, these floors are nasty. I can't wait to get them cleaned to see how they really look, but we've got to grout them first. So we are doing a charcoal grout on all of these floors. And we are just about to get started on the backsplash. I don't know yet where I want to stop it here. If I want to stop it in line with the cabinet or if I want to bring it out to here. Don't know just yet. So we're going to start over here to buy me some time. All right, folks, we have a backsplash. It looks so good. We put a lot of thought into where to stop it. And, you know, the countertop goes all the way to there, but the cabinets stop here. So we decided to stop it here. Hope we made the right decision. It's going to kind of divide the kitchen from the family room, dining room, whatever you want to call that. So love the reflection in here. It finally gave us a little bit of jewelry or pizzazz in here. And next we're going to move over here to this fireplace. We were originally going to use the square tile on this fireplace that we used on the 2 upstairs. fireplaces, but we've decided to carry this subway over here so that it'll be more cohesive. Good morning, everyone. We're on the second floor and we've got grouting happening all over. We've got that fireplace is being grouted. This bathroom is almost done. Floors, walls, all of it. And then we've got it happening in the main bedroom as well. Let's jump over there. The main bedroom is also almost done. There's a few little spots that needed some touch up. They're cleaning it. It looks great. And I think the third floor is done. So we'll go check that out in a few minutes. So all of the second and third floor are about to be completely finished. And we're gonna start grouting the kitchen next. All right, it's dark in here, so you may not be able to see, but that third floor shower is grouted as well. So this one's almost done. We've got to put a little bit of shelving in here. We're gonna have to do some caulking around the edges. We've still got to mud this wall. You remember, we were gonna tile it. The tile guy felt like that was a mistake, so we're gonna just mud that. And now we are waiting on the glass company to come and get measurements so that we can get these shower doors on order. So cross your fingers that that happens very soon. The downstairs shower is also grouted. This floor has not been grouted because we ran out of tile. Somehow we figured just a little bit wrong and we're just a little bit short. So we've ordered more. Hopefully it will be here quickly. And also hopefully it will, we won't have a dye lot problem. Looks very, very good. Very good. The backsplash is all grouted and cleaned, and now we're grouting the kitchen floor. It looks like a big muddy mess right now, but when it's all clean, it's gonna look great. So the last time we saw this kitchen, it was a hot mess. They've cleaned it up. We can't quite walk in here yet because it's not dry, but the whole kitchen floor is grouted and has been cleaned at least one coat. So I can't wait for it to dry enough that I can go around there and see the other side and catch a glimpse of it there. In the back of the house, they have cleaned the mudroom. It is next as soon as it dries, and they are in there working in the laundry room. So we are almost finished with tile. Kitchen floors are dry enough for us to walk on them. We're actually getting ready to cover them all up with moving blankets so that we don't mess them up in any way. We've got to move appliances in here. But wanted you to see them before we cover them up. So our back foyer or our mudroom is tiled, and goodness, it looks so much larger than when it just had a plywood floor. And again, I don't want to walk in there, but trust me, the laundry room and the powder room are tiled as well. So we have done all that we can do tile-wise until we get those extra pieces that we ran out of that bedroom in there. So that's almost a wrap on tile. I love how this kitchen floor turned out. I think maybe my favorite thing are all of the fireplaces. This one looks so, so good. I love the subway. It's the same subway that's on the counter or the backsplash. Disregard all the junk on the countertops. Now we do have one other project. The other three fireplaces turned out so, so pretty that we decided we were gonna figure out a way to tile this one too. You remember we weren't gonna tile that one because that plaster was flush with the mantle, but we've decided, we figured out how to do it. So we had to order some trim pieces. So when those trim pieces come and when the tile from the back of the house arrives, we are going to get this, get that bathroom finished and get this mantle tiled as well. So I'm here in front of this gorgeous mantle with this super pretty tile to say that that's a wrap on tile. Now we're not completely done. You know, we have that one bathroom where we ran out of tile, so that's gonna have to get finished as soon as that last few pieces come in. But for the most part, we are finished with tile, and it was absolutely the jewelry that this house needed. Look at that. Gosh, it looks so good. So that's a wrap on tile. Come back next week to see what else is happening at the Hyatt house.